I worked for King County as a Metro bus driver for 22 years before I became an apprentice. I have always loved working with my hands and fixing things. I'm sure there's people out there that are like, she's a girl, she's not gonna be able to do it. And I applied in the program to prove that you could do it. My name is Adelita Ortiz. I am a diesel mechanic apprentice. I work for King County Metro in Seattle. A hybrid diesel mechanic apprentice is pretty much like a student. Our job is to learn. With the apprenticeship program, they send you to school for 4 years or 2 years. We'd go to school in the morning and then come into work. After the 4 years, you are considered journey level. I will be a diesel mechanic. I will know how to diagnose, troubleshoot, and fix buses. I absolutely love my job. I'm older, I'm female, I'm minority, I'm Native American. To be able to prove that I can do it, that's the satisfaction of it all.